Hi, welcome to this six-bedroom duplex in Buena Vista Estates, Lagos. Follow me as I show you the interiors of this massive and beautiful building situated in Buena Vista Estates on Orchard Road, Lekki, Lagos. Come with me. So this is it. Just coming in, you will see the visitors' restroom. Then this is the inside. See how massive the sitting room is. How massive the sitting room is. You really love it here. This estate doesn't get flooded. It's beautiful. It's as serene as it comes. Look at it. Very peaceful, very secure. Follow me to the kitchen. This is it. So here is the kitchen. So whip up those tasty meals. Just newly finished. Newly finished. You can see some of the tools they used to work is still in here. Yes. Though there's no power at the moment, the inverter battery is being brought. You can see the fridge, brand new. Everything is brand new. This is a newly finished six-bedroom duplex in Buena Vista Estates, Orchard Road, Lekki. Come outside, you see it has a pool. This is the pool here. This is the pool. You can see the neighbors. You will love it here. This should be the BQ. This is the back of the house. Okay. Follow me inside. We're not done yet. Okay. So this should be the visitors room. You can see. You can see how big the visitors room is. This is the restroom in the visitors room. How convenient it is. You can see that. This is the inverter. Also that the battery will be brought in today. This place would have been powered as at the time of this shoot, but it's okay. If you know quality, if you know class, you will love it here. I'm going upstairs now where the rooms are situated. After this particular floor, there's yet another floor with a penthouse. Very, very massive balcony. This is it. So this is one of the bedrooms. This is one of the bedrooms. It comes with its own storage. This is it. This is the restroom. The door is locked though. Okay. This is another bedroom. You can say it's properly finished. Properly finished. You're looking to buy a house, newly built house that nobody has lived in before. I knew when they started the construction of this house. I kept monitoring it. Now it has finished. Look at it with the walk-in shower. Very nicely built and finished property. This is it. Because there's no power yet connected, although there's a power in the estate now. This is the cinema room, but it's so dark that I can't film anything because I didn't come with my own tripod, light and all. Okay. So this is the floor. This should be the converging area for upstairs, like a mini sitting room. This is it. You can see it. That's the staircase leading to the penthouse. That's it. So this is a 6 bedroom, massive duplex, newly built in Buena Vista Estate, Orchard Road, Lekki. You're thinking of buying a house now for your family, to relocate your family. You're tired of incessant harassment or rent increase from landlords, and you have the money. Instead of investing it in buying a car, why don't you invest it in, first of all, getting a house? It depends on your priority though, but me, if I have the cash, I will snatch this first before I buy that car that has the same rates with this house. This is another bedroom. This is the wardrobe. Look at it. Look at it. It's just a beauty. Just a beauty. Apart from selling houses and renting houses, I also manage property management. I'm into property management for Airbnbs. So I know what I'm talking about. This is it. This is the last floor. Can you see what I'm saying? See the beauty. See this particular room now. Can you see? Can you see? See the windows. See how air it is. See the view. The view of the estate is a very beautiful view. This is it, with houses still coming up that are still under construction. This is it. What is not to love about this property? I love it. I love it. 6 bedroom, massive space. Even if you're married to, you have how many children? This is another bedroom here. Can you see? Can you see it? See the balcony? Very massive balcony. Finishing, top notch, top notch finishing. This is the wardrobe space. I should think this should be the master bedroom. This should be the master bedroom. With that balcony I'm seeing there. Look at it, the walk-in shower, the washer, the bathtub, the toilet. Properly finished. Kudos to the builders. And more kudos to everyone that puts this together. So this is the balcony. See how massive it is. It just rained. So I'm being very careful so that I don't fall. So just look at the massive balcony. You could hold a party here. I'm telling you. You could hold a party, close knit party here. Your family. Do you understand? Even if you're not in the country and you purchase this and you need to put it in rent, or better still use it for Airbnb, for example. you know. Then whenever you come back, you also have a place to stay. You just schedule your stay not to coincide with your clients, your guests that you already have occupying this space. Do you understand? That's killing a bird, using a stone to kill 2 birds. Do you understand? So even if you're not in the country, you snatch this up, use it for Airbnb. You know, screen your guests, make sure it's responsible, corporate people that come here to stay, and making money, and you have your property. Do you understand? Then when you're coming back with your family, see the scene, see the estate, see how properly built it is. They know what they are doing here. Do you understand? That's it. That's it. It's a wrap. That should be it. So I hope you enjoyed following me on this house tour. So take action. If you have the money, buy a house. Real estate does not mess up. Do you understand? You are always sure with real estate. For me, real estate is the number one investment. Do you understand? Uh-huh. Buy a house before you start buying them cars. They don't have that kind of value that real estate has. So that's it. Peace out.